Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's the girl Nisha, and if you're new, welcome. Wagwan, what's up? So for today, you're down to the title already. I'm gonna give you a in-depth about the hair thing and take care of yourself. So watch this entire video now. This product, it is amazing. Jamaican black castor oil, and I will continue to elaborate how fantastic this works. And guys, please make sure that it does not contain salt will affect the disulfide bonds of the hair. This power pack product will give your hair massive hair growth, sheen, volume. You will have hair growth if you do exactly what you're supposed to do with it, not just have it sit down there. All right. Thanks there. And the next amazing product that I cannot live without is my coconut oil. I showed what is that? I showed you my own product of the that I made. That's the liquid, and this is the cream. Both can be used on the skin and hair. It is amazing. And the leave-in, now this beautiful product here is Cream of Nature Argan Oil. This is fantastic for whether your hair is relaxed or natural. You will have to put it on damp hair, of course, and massage it well. This is a phenomenal hair straightener, and also it does add a lot of sheen to the hair. Now the next one is my all-time favorite. I drink it, I use it on my hair, my skin, everywhere. Now no, that sounds alright, but we're talking about hair, right? So of course, apple cider vinegar, you have the one that is already made for hair, but you can dilute this product, and it is amazing for clarifying the hair. If you don't know what is a clarifying treatment, ask me down in a comment down below and I'll tell you. Also, this is my product. Yes, authentic Jamaica coconut oil can be used on the hair, the skin. Can also sip it if you want, like a cork in the morning. It is very good. And this, guys, it will help hair loss. So if you have you stress your hairline by catching it up in one that much, you really need this. And it also helps to moisturize your skin. It is a phenomenal, it is a must-have, and it's very affordable. It is only 1,000 Jamaican dollars, and I have it. You just have to order. And as I said to you, and it is a 4 ounce, by the way. And as I said to you, you can use it on your hair, in your hair, and on your skin, and also you can consume it. Now there's a lot of stuff people don't know about hair growth. Hair growth is not just about putting in products in your hair, but it's the maintenance behind it. You have to also be reminded that a sleep cap is very essential for hair growth, because what that does is to retain the moisture in and to help to penetrate those follicles. So guys, yes, your sleep cap is very important for you to have, whether you're a male or female. Normally when I do hair tutorial or hair care tips, I get a lot of questions from my male. Yes, you need to have you're tired as well, and the material, it makes sense. And guys, stop use cotton on your hair. Cotton is for your skin. You can get your microfiber towels online or at your wholesale, your store, retail store, wherever you shop, for your beauty products. And you can also, the material for your headband supposed to be silk or satin, no other. Yes, no other. All right. Now, shampooing is very important. It is the basic form. Well, one of the basic form. You have to also, before shampooing your hair, you need to check your scalp, do your porosity, elasticity, and density test before, to make sure that everything is well before you go ahead and use product. I'm not saying that you have to use Tresemme, but whatever shampoo works for you. I'm a big fan of Tresemme, and this Tresemme is not paying me to say this, but they're affordable, and yet still they have been doing a lot of work with black women here. Now if you're also Caucasian or Asian, you can go ahead and use this. And for the last time, guys, stop saying wash. You don't wash hair, you shampoo your hair. Now I know the reason why you say wash, but it's different. It's a different technology. The terminology for it, Rather, the correct term for it is shampoo service, which include shampooing and conditioning. All right, and you basically the minimum shampoo to use is 2 and the condition is 1, right? Depending on the volume of your hair and the density. All right, so that means the amount of hair that is on your head and how full your hair is. Now also remember that you need to have, you see I'm showing you there, those are, you have 2 different type of shampoo, and I'm coming with another set. Now you have to have what is called a cleansing shampoo that will penetrate the cortex also with lukewarm water and lift whatever product you have in there before, and also dirt. That's what shampooing is about. You don't, it is not good to use your tap water to shampoo your hair. When I say tap water, I mean cold water. Cold water to shampoo your hair. You need to have lukewarm water. That's what it helps to penetrate the cortex. Yes, that's another layer of your skin, the cortex, and that is where it lift it from, lift all the dirt and all of them something there. All right. So I did a video on how to shampoo your hair like a professional. It's also tagged to this video, so you can go ahead and look back on it. And just be in mind that you need to also have a moisture shampoo and a cleansing shampoo, or a rehydrating shampoo and a moisture shampoo. You have to have a moisture shampoo because your hair needs moisture. Relaxed hair, whether your hair is natural, you need to have moisture shampoo, 2 shampoo basically. So if your hair is dry, the moisture will help. If your hair need rehydration because of severe damage, then you get a rehydration plus a moisture shampoo, because it is very important. I cannot even stress how important that is. And also now Shea Moisture. Yes, I'm coming up now with Shea Moisture. This is eye candy. I mean, I love hair. This is my, I know people say the passion, it will die, but it never dies. This is my, I've left every other job just for this. I love hair. I can look at your hair and tell you exactly what you're not doing. It's also important for you to take vitamins as well. So it helps to boost also hair growth. So hair, skin, and nails is 1, and also water intake is very important. Now let's talk about Shea Moisture. This is a booster packing one, because number 1, I'm a big fan of castor oil. I make my own castor oil too, by the way. Well, not me make it, but I have someone who make it for me. I tell them how I want it, and I also put in extra ingredients for to have a power pack house all in one, because Jamaica castor oil is the best. Make sure that it is black also, because you have clear castor oil, and I also have castor oil for the eyelash and eyebrows. So because my sisters out there who wear their lashes and stuff, to be on fleek, you need to have those stuff. So with this, it's a very good product to have in your household as well. For children, I definitely like it, but I will not use like 3 shampoo to 1 conditioner. For a child, I will use like 2, and the size will be very small, a pea size amount. It's a very good shampoo to have in your house. And by the way, and as I said, you can see it on the bottle, it strengthen and restore. So it's a lot of things going on there. So the castor oil is going to give it volume, which thickens the hair, and growth at the same time. And guys, pay attention to the areas that need more attention. This I said more attention because you're supposed to pay everything attention on your head, every area, I should say. So because you need to have it. And you see people with nice, healthy looking hair, rather. You can achieve it. You just have to pay attention. If you said, Nisha, I'm not a hair person, then let me do it for you. You can have a consultation with me for only, it's now at $15 US, and to Jamaica currency, so it's a 1,500 Jamaican dollars. So it's 1,500 Jamaican dollars, and that is for 45 minutes. And I will walk you through the steps. I cannot elaborate more on this because it's a paid thing that you have to reach out to me for. You can also leave a comment down below and ask me for the detailing on it, and I will give you the explanation, things that need to be done, because a lot of these videos that I'm seeing up, they're not going in depth, and I really should be doing a live pretty soon going in depth with hair products, because it's not just the product alone you need to know how to use a different technique, massage technique that's supposed to be on the scalp, like your efferage and those things, you know, to penetrate the hair cuticle, you know, and boost hair growth, so like that shaft looking all on fleek. So guys, you've seen a few products that I really do love and recommend that you have at least, not if not all, but majority of them. And of course I'm going to give you another video, okay? Every good thing must come to an end. I'm so sad to leave you guys now, but thank you very much for checking out this video, and also look out for more fun pack info ton up videos. So be safe guys. Until then, walk good, talk good, live good. Jamaica, one love. Boom bang bang.